Well, doctors say they're noticing a rising number of patients who are hesitant to come to hospitals during an emergency out of fear of contracting COVID-19.
It's understandable, but doctors say it is causing long-lasting damage to their health. So as part of our Ask the Expert series in partnership with Bon Secours St. Francis Health, 7 News' Jennifer Martin talked to hospital staff about how they're keeping patients safe.
Bon Secours St. Francis has a message for those afraid of visiting a hospital during an emergency.
The ERs are safe. They're ready for you.
Over the last few weeks, doctors say those with chronic illnesses haven't always sought the health care they need.
It is absolutely imperative that they still stay on their medications. They're not canceling appointments with their physicians. We're starting to see an uptick of folks in the emergency room as an exacerbation of those diseases.
They say there's also a growing number of patients with symptoms of stroke or heart attack who are not seeking care.
We're asking you not to take that risk. If you would have come before, just go ahead and come now.
Neurologist Dr. Washgaloop says if you notice any of these symptoms of stroke, call 911 right away.
And we have a window of time where we can treat with certain medications to help the recovery, and they have a better recovery from stroke, and that window is about 4.5 hours max.
To keep patients safe from COVID-19 exposure, masks are mandatory inside Bon Secours hospitals. There are screenings and temperature checks at entrances, and there is a no visitor policy, except for a few exceptions like end-of-life patients, along with many other safety measures.
And so there is a section of the ER that is reserved for those people that are questioning whether they may have a respiratory infection like COVID. It's very intentional in how we route the supplies. Personal protective equipment is heavier.
And outside hospitals, doctors urge you to stay vigilant about protecting yourself and others.
As you're going out in the community, those precautions aren't there. So you really have to be aware of the right things to do.
In Greenville, Jennifer Martin, 7 News.
And Bon Secours doctors are urging anyone with concerns about the safety of hospital facilities to call them with questions. We do have information about how to do that on WSPA.com.